California now has one of the strictest school vaccination laws in the country. The state's governor, Jerry Brown, approved legislation today requiring nearly all public school children to be vaccinated. Some medical exemptions would still be granted to children with serious health issues. Other unvaccinated children would need to be homeschooled. The bill was introduced after an outbreak of measles at Disneyland back in December. The measure goes into effect next year. Ricky Kleeman joined CBS This Morning earlier to talk about it.
Children in daycare, children in public schools, children in private schools, that they will have to be vaccinated against certain diseases, and I mean have to, that there will no longer be religious exemptions. There will no longer be personal belief exemptions. And what that means is that this will be one of the most strict laws in the country mandating vaccines.
So no vaccine, no school.
No vaccine, no school. Exactly correct. What would happen is you would have to take your child out of school if you have a religious or personal feeling about this and homeschool your child or put your child in a private study homeschool. Now, that's where the objections come in. So a parent says, you're interfering with this special relationship that I have with my child. It's my right to be able to say what poison, since that's how they look at it, goes into my child versus something that shouldn't go in. And my child has a right to a public education.
But doesn't it violate the parent's rights?
Well, the parents, I think, have a better argument, not that their personal rights are being violated, but the right to a public education is enshrined in the Constitution of California. So that's going to be the real legal ground here. And so maybe what the state has to do is if it says you have to homeschool or you go into a private study group, maybe it's time for the state to put things online so that kids are still schooled.